Saan versus nasaan. This lesson is requested by some of our subscribers who are asking about the difference between the question words saan and nasaan and the prepositions sa and nasa. Nasaan and saan both translate to where in English, but in Filipino, they are used in two different ways. Let's first talk about nasaan. Nasaan is used to ask the location of someone or something. So if you're looking for a person or a thing or an object, you should use nasaan. Nasaan is always followed by either a noun or a pronoun. When using nasaan with proper nouns or particular names of people, you should place the marker si or sina after nasaan. But if you're looking for common nouns or objects, you should place the marker ang or ang mga after nasaan. To make learning easier, you may use these patterns. The first one is nasaan plus a Tagalog pronoun like ka, siya, niya, and others. If you wish to know more about Tagalog pronouns, please see the link in the description. The next one is nasaan plus si plus a singular proper noun or the name of the person you're looking for, like nasaan si Flor, nasaan si Tiana, etc. The third one is nasaan plus sina plus plural proper nouns or names of two or more people that you're looking for. Example, nasaan sina Jack at Jill, or nasaan sina Batman at Robin. If you're looking for a singular object, the pattern to use is nasaan plus ang plus the object, like nasaan ang pen or nasaan ang paper. But if you're looking for many things, you should use nasaan plus ang mga plus the objects. Example, nasaan ang mga pens at papers. Let's form complete sentences using nasaan. Example 1, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Ka is a pronoun meaning you. So nasaan ka means where are you? Nasaan ka? Another example for the pattern nasaan plus pronoun is nasaan sila? Nasaan sila? Meaning where are they? Nasaan sila? Our third example is nasaan si Eric? Nasaan si Eric? Meaning, where's Eric? Did you notice the pattern used here? It's nasaan plus the marker si plus the singular proper noun Eric. Nasaan si Eric? Example 4, nasaan sina Diyan at Thalia? Nasaan sina Diyan at Thalia? Meaning, where are Diyan and Thalia? Since we're looking for two people here, we used the marker sina after nasaan. Nasaan sina Diyan at Thalia? Our next example is nasaan ang plantsa? Nasaan ang plantsa? Plantsa, meaning flat iron, is a singular common noun. That's why we use the marker ang plantsa. Nasaan ang plantsa? Where's the flat iron? Our next example is nasaan ang mga kabayo? Nasaan ang mga kabayo? Kabayo means horse. To make it plural, simply put mga before kabayo. Mga kabayo. Nasaan ang mga kabayo? Where are the horses? Nasaan ang hari? Nasaan ang hari? Meaning, where's the king? You might be wondering why we used ang as a marker for hari instead of si since hari is a person. Well, the reason being is the marker si is only used for proper names. Since hari is a common noun, we should only use ang. But if you're looking for a specific king like King Philip or Haring Philip in Tagalog, then you should use si. Nasaan si Haring Philip? Or where's King Philip? Did you get it? Let's now study the preposition nasa, because nasa is used to answer the question word nasaan. So nasa states the location of a person or an object. Nasa. Nasa is very easy to use. Just indicate the name of the place after it. Here are some examples. Nasa kapilya. Nasa kapilya, meaning in the chapel, or nasa sahig. Nasa sahig, on the floor. Nasa dingding. Nasa dingding, on the wall. You may also use it with specific places like nasa Australia. Nasa Australia, meaning in Australia, or nasa Tokyo, nasa Manila, in Tokyo or Manila. The word nasa is also used with another Tagalog preposition. In order to do so, you may use this pattern. Nasa plus preposition plus nang. Example, nasa ibabaw ng. Nasa ibabaw ng, meaning on top of. Nasa ilalim ng. Nasa ilalim ng, meaning under the. Nasa harap ng. Nasa harap ng, in front of. Nasa tabi ng. Nasa tabi ng, beside the. Let's use nasa in a sentence. Nasa paaralan ang mga estudyante. Nasa paaralan ang mga estudyante. Meaning, the students are in school. Nasa paaralan ang mga estudyante. Next example is, nasaan ang kuya mo? Nasaan ang kuya mo? Where's your brother? Nasaan ang kuya mo? Answer, nasa opisina siya. Nasa opisina siya. He's in the office. Nasa opisina siya. Nasaan ang tsinelas ko? Nasaan ang tsinelas ko? Meaning, where are my slippers? Nasaan ang tsinelas ko? Answer, nasa ilalim ng mesa. Nasa ilalim ng mesa. They are under the table. Nasa ilalim ng mesa. Here are 3 other answers to the question word nasaan. Nandito. Nandito, meaning here. Nandito is used when the place is near the speaker. Nandyan. Nandyan. Nandyan means there. It is used when the place is near the person spoken to. Nandoon. Nandoon. It also means there, but nandoon is used if the place is far from both the speaker and the person spoken to. Example, nasaan ang asawa mo? Nasaan ang asawa mo? The noun asawa means a spouse, so it could either be a husband or a wife. In this example, we will use it as a husband. Nasaan ang asawa mo? Where's your husband? Answer, nandito siya sa bahay. Nandito siya sa bahay. He's here at home. Nandito siya sa bahay. Next example, nasaan ang pala natin? Nasaan ang pala natin? Where's our shovel? Nasaan ang pala natin? Answer, nandoon sa likod. Nandun sa likod. Meaning, there at the back. Nandun sa likod. Let's now study the question word saan. Saan is used to ask the location of an action. Again, saan is used to ask the location of an action. Saan is always followed by a verb in any of the 3 tenses, meaning it's followed either by a verb in the present, past, or future tense. And if you need to use it with Tagalog pronouns like tayo or sila, you should place them between saan and the verb. Here are the patterns that you may use as a guide. Saan plus verb. Saan plus verb. Next is saan plus pronoun plus verb. Saan plus pronoun plus verb. Let's use saan plus verb in a sentence. Saan pupunta si Samantha? Saan pupunta si Samantha? As you can see, saan is followed by the verb pupunta, meaning will go. Saan pupunta si Samantha? Meaning, where is Samantha going? Our next example is, saan natulog si Lola? Saan natulog si Lola? Natulog means slept. Since we used saan, this sentence is asking where the action word natulog took place. Saan natulog si Lola? Where did Grandma sleep? Let's now use saan plus pronoun plus verb in a sentence. Saan ka nagpunta? Saan ka nagpunta? Nagpunta means went. Saan ka nagpunta? Where did you go? As you can see, the pronoun ka is placed between saan and the verb nagpunta. It's very easy, right? Here's another example. Saan tayo kakain? Saan tayo kakain? Meaning, where are we going to eat? Saan tayo kakain? Saan mo binili ang tsokolating ito? Saan mo binili ang tsokolating ito? Meaning, where did you buy this chocolate? Saan mo binili ang tsokolating ito? Let's now study the preposition sa, which is used to answer the question word saan. The pattern is very simple. Sa plus name of place. Sa plus name of place. This phrase indicates the place where the act was, is, or will be performed. Sa plus name of place. Example, saan ka nakatira? Saan ka nakatira? Meaning, where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Answer, sa Qatar ako nakatira. Sa Qatar ako nakatira. I live in Qatar. Sa Qatar ako nakatira. Next example, saan nagtatrabaho ang tatay mo? Saan nagtatrabaho ang tatay mo? Where does your father work? Saan nagtatrabaho ang tatay mo? Answer, sa XYZ company. Sa XYZ company. At XYZ company. Here are 3 other answers to the question word saan. Dito. Dito, meaning here. Dito is used if the place is near the speaker. Diyan or dyan. Dyan, meaning there. Dyan is used if the place is near the person spoken to. Doon. Doon. Doon also means there, but it's used if the place is far from both the speaker and the person spoken to. Doon. Let's use them in a sentence. Saan sila maglalaro? Saan sila maglalaro? Meaning, where will they play? Saan sila maglalaro? Answer, doon sila maglalaro. Doon sila maglalaro. They will play there. Doon sila maglalaro. Since we used doon, this sentence means that the place where they will play is far from the two people talking. Our last example is, saan tayo uupo? Saan tayo uupo? Where shall we sit? Saan tayo uupo? Answer, dito. Or, dito tayo uupo. Dito is the short answer meaning here. If you want to make it longer, you can say, dito tayo uupo. We shall sit here. So now you know the difference between nasaan and saan. Nasaan is used to ask for the location of a person or a thing, while saan is used to ask for the location of an action. To understand more about nasaan, the preposition sa, and Tagalog pronouns, please check out the links to these lessons in the description box below. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!